So I'm a firm believer of history repeating itself. And let's look at this. This article. And the article say Bitcoin clings to 23.5 as traders say BTC identical to 2020 breakout. I love history when it comes down to stocks or cryptocurrency because history usually repeats itself depending on the situation, not all the time, but I like to use that as a idea of what can happen next. And you see right here it say Bitcoin price conjures 2020 memories. Data from Coin Telegraph Markets Pro and Trading showed holding a narrow range in a place since February 3rd. Macroeconomics, I'm going to skim through some of this. Macroeconomics data released from the United States provided most modest volatility, but no overall trend change as trader bids their time heading into the weekend. Options on longer term outlooks were mixed. However, with some maintaining that there was little reason to trust Bitcoin rally would continue. Seeing 50K calls already on Bitcoin, and we have yet to complete a higher high and lower low market structure change popular traders. So people was already predicting 50,000 Bitcoin. People doing a lot of predicting. More optimistic was a fellow trader, Credible Crypto, who doubled down on a theory which compared current BTC price actions to the late 2020, just after Bitcoin has passed its old 2017 all-time highs. Price actions has developed beautifully off our lows, mimicking the bottom formation that preceded our last impulse from 10K to 60. Current consolidation circled in green looks identical to PA from that impulse, he wrote in an updated corresponding Twitter thread. So look, this is back in 2020. Look at this. So the lows was at 9,000. We just gonna say 9,800. So right under 10,000. You see the lows. It trickled down real quick. Bam, went up, hit under the low, touched it. So it touched it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it went up. That's 2. And it came down 3 a little bit, 4. Okay. So we see this went down to 9,000, went to about 11 something. And right here, that's when it started to go up, trade sideways. And we had this blowout pattern. Right here, what they are saying is this identical. 15,000 is that low. So, okay, we hit it. It didn't hit a few more times, but we went up, went down, did this trend, did this right here, and it went up in the green. So let's zoom out. Looks familiar. Prior to a longer run, okay, right there, a run looks similar right here. This went down more, down a lot more. And you see when it curved out over here. So it's a little different. It's not 100% the same. We're not never going to be 100% the same. Is he bugging? Do you think this is similar? Because he's saying if it do this, after this was a takeoff. We are about right here. We need that next rally to right here, go down one more time, and then we go into the moon. That's what Buddy's saying. Looking at that, I don't know. So I'm like, hey, let me look at it myself. I'm looking at it right here. So this is what he's talking about, that 15,000 area. And I'm looking at it on a day chart with day stick. And it's like, okay, I see what he's talking about. But let's see, can we get back to this 20? Let's see if we get to 2020. I don't remember the month, but 9,000 right here. Yep. So if we went to it, I believe he's talking about this run when we went up. So we need a candlestick to go from, that went from 99 to 11. Shit. So that went to 4,000 right there alone before it went and kept on going and skyrocket all the way up 20,000. Interesting. What's y'all thoughts in the comments about that? Bitcoin has been doing good. Last 3 months, we up. Last month, we up. Last year, we're down. So last year from today was at 41,000. We're at 23. We damn near 50% down. There's so much room for growth. It's gonna be interesting. What's your thoughts in the comments? Do you think it could repeat itself? Do you think my man bugging, thinking too much into it? Let me know what y'all got.